In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send personalized automated WhatsApp messages using Zapier, Google Sheets, and Get.Chat. This process is a fantastic way to automate and personalize messaging, saving you time and ensuring your communication is both efficient and tailored to each recipient. So, let's jump right in and learn how to set this up. First, we'll start by heading over to Zapier's website. If you're unfamiliar with it, Zapier is an incredibly useful online automation tool that connects apps and services you use every day. Once you're on the Zapier homepage, you'll need to log into your account. If you don't have one, it's very straightforward to sign up. Just follow the instructions when you click on the Login button. After you've logged in, navigate your way to the Zapier home screen. This is where all the magic happens. Once there, you want to look for the option labeled Zaps. Think of a zap as a task that automates a process between different services. Click on this to get started with creating your very own zap. Now, let's kick off the fun part. Creating the zap itself. Click on Create Zap. This will open up a new page where you can begin to configure your automated workflow. The first thing we'll be doing is adding steps to our workflow. So go ahead and click Add Steps. In the search bar that appears, type Google Sheets and select it. Google Sheets will serve as the central point in this workflow because it's where your data will be stored and retrieved. Now that you've selected Google Sheets, we need to set it as the trigger app. This means that whenever a new row is added or modified, it will trigger the automation. Within the Google Sheet setup, you'll connect your spreadsheet where your information is located. Make sure your columns are clearly labeled with the relevant headers, such as names and phone numbers, to make the process seamless. With the spreadsheet linked, Zapier will guide you through testing the trigger to ensure everything is working properly. At this point, you've successfully set up Google Sheets as your trigger. Congratulations! You're one step closer to automating your personalized WhatsApp messages. The next stage is to integrate Get.Chat, a tool that facilitates sending WhatsApp messages. Navigate through the available options and configure this part according to your needs. And there you have it. With these steps completed, you've established a workflow that leverages Zapier, Google Sheets, and Get.Chat, allowing you to send personalized, automated WhatsApp messages with ease. This is a fantastic way to ensure your communication is both effective and time efficient, making your life much simpler. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video.